Hello everyone. We will talk about closed questions in the past simple. A closed question is a question with a yes answer or no answer. For example, did you go to the park yesterday? The answer is yes or no. Let's look at the sentence structure, the order of words in the sentence. For a closed question in the past simple, the first word is did. Did. And then you have the subject, I, you, he, she, etc. And then the verb or action, go, write, finish, call, watch, play, run, kick, eat, etc. And then the object, you sometimes have an object. Okay, and then you have some extra information. In these examples, to the cinema and yesterday, we have place. Okay, cinema is a place, and time. Yesterday is talking about time. So this other information is often time or place, but not always. So let's read the examples. You can repeat after me to practice speaking. Did you go to the cinema? Did you go to the cinema? Did she write an email? Did she write an email? Did we finish the homework? Did we finish the homework? Did they call you yesterday? Did they call you yesterday? On this page, we have some more examples, but this time the subjects are not personal pronouns, so not I, you, he, she, but we have some different subjects. So we have Gary. Gary is the name of a man. Mark and Karen, so the names of a man and woman. Your sister, the driver. So let's read these examples. Again, you can repeat after me to practice. Did Gary go to the party? Did Gary go to the party? Number 2. Did Mark and Karen paint their house last year? Did Mark and Karen paint their house last year? Number 3. Did your sister pass the test? Did your sister pass the test? Number 4. Did the driver forget his keys again? Did the driver forget his keys again? So, for a closed question, in everyday speaking, we often use short answers. A short answer, the examples are here for you. So for yes, we have yes, and then the subject, so I, you, he, she, etc. And then did. And the same for no, and the subject, and didn't. So, for example, yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay, so let's just read these together. You can repeat after me. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, you didn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Yes, it did. No, it didn't. Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't. So here we have some questions with the short answers. So let's read these together. Did you go to the cinema? Now, if I ask a question to you, if I say, did you go to the cinema? Then you say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay. So for you, if the question has you as subject, then the person who answers the question will say I. But for other subjects, it's different. For other subjects, we often have the same. So for example, did she write an email? The subject in the question is she, so the answer, the subject is she. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Did we finish the homework? The subject is we, so in the answer also we use we. Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Did they call you yesterday? The subject is they. Yes, they did. No, they didn't. So now we have some questions, but with different subjects, not I, you, he, she, etc. Did Gary go to the party? So Gary is the name of a man. So for the answer, we use he, because he is for a man. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Did Mark and Karen paint their house last year? Mark and Karen, this is two people. If you have more than one person, so if you have 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, you don't say he or she, but they. So yes, they did. No, they didn't. Did your sister pass the test? Your sister, is your sister a man or woman? Your sister is a woman, so for the answer we use she. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Did the driver forget his keys again? Now, a driver could be a man or maybe a woman. For this example here, it is a man. yes, he did. No, he didn't. But if the driver is a woman, then for the answer you will say yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Okay, thank you very much.